And this is what is on the menu tonight. Shake away. Like,
your home is now disarmed. Ready to arm.
good morning, everyone. The house is currently a construction zone right now. We've got paper, tape, chairs, outdoor furniture inside the house. I'm just, yeah, trying to stay sane right now. We'll just leave it at that. It's another beautiful spring April day. I went ahead and put some of these eye patches on my face. These are so good, and I swear, oh my gosh, no, not today. I swear they work miracles. What do we want to do? Since I just woke up, I saw my camera next to me and I figured, let's do a what I eat in a day as a college student, because I've got quite the busy day today, and I think these videos are very, very realistic, especially if you're a college student and you want kind of easy meals to make or just some ideas. I've got you. Although I think for lunch, I made some plans to get some food with my friends, so I'll be eating out for lunch. But for breakfast and dinner, we're eating at home. I'm feeling like doing an assortment of things. So got eggs. I've also been loving this yogurt. I got it from Whole Foods the other day because my mom sent a picture and was like, you would probably like this. Update, I am obsessed with it. It has oat milk and it's really creamy and yummy. We'll do yogurt and then some eggs from the farmer's market. Also, we're gonna add some sausage in these scrambled eggs just to add some more flavor. Just trust me, this yogurt is so fluffy and creamy. I'm gonna brush it out, but I want it to kind of like sit right now. When I brought, we wouldn't even be having a Coachella. Yeah, Miss Jackie, if you're watching this. So these are I just pulled this out of the dishwasher, but how cute is this little bowl that my mom painted? We did one of those mother-daughter pottery painting classes, and she painted this. It's so cute, and it says tea 2022. I can't even believe that it is the end of this semester. I genuinely don't know where time is going, and it's kind of freaking me out, but I'm really, really excited because summer of 2023 is going to be amazing. I have so many plans and trips with so many people that I love. When it comes to scrambled eggs, I keep it really simple. So I just have 2 eggs in here, and we're just taking a fork and whisking the yolk together. Personally, for me, all I like to do is just add a little bit of pepper into it. When I was younger, I used to add milk to my eggs, but because now I'm like lactose intolerant, that's just not really happening. So we'll just mix that. These are the sausages. They're browning right now on the stove. We're gonna take these off the stove and put them on a paper towel. I'm gonna use my kitchen scissors, and we're just gonna cut these into little tiny pieces. And the reason why I didn't add salt in my eggs is because these already have really good seasoning. We're gonna take some Trader Joe's coconut oil spray. First, we'll add the eggs. We'll add all the sausages. I love using the same pan because it's already hot, which means that the eggs are gonna cook so much quicker and just a lot more thoroughly. Okay, I'll turn that off. This is today's complete breakfast. I do have a greens drink that I like to drink, but I don't do it while I'm eating breakfast because it's too much at once. So I make it after, and I'll show you guys that once I finish eating this. Bon appetit! just for clarification, none of this video is sponsored. Just wanted to throw that out there because I know a lot of times when people show greens powders, 99% of the time it's because it's sponsored. From a perspective on how my body feels, AG1 blows the other ones out of the park. Taste wise, I would probably say Clean Simple Eats is better, but that's because they have so many other flavors like a strawberry lemonade, fruity taste. I just took my greens out of the fridge because there's live probiotics and cultures in it, so it needs to be refrigerated. First, we're gonna fill this up with water, and then we're gonna do 1 full scoop. And I also have this little dropper. It has vitamin D3 and K2. Shake away. As I was eating my breakfast, I was doing my morning crossword. I'm almost to the end of it. I think that means that it's time to go back to Barnes & Noble and get a new crossword puzzle. I'm not complaining because that sounds like fun to me. You guys know this if you've been watching my videos. We've got 2 of the Ritual 18+ women multivitamin and then 1 of the symbiotic pills. I think I've shaken this enough. I will be sipping on this all morning. I'm gonna finish typing up some things for a video. I've been really trying to make sure that whenever I talk about a product or wear a product in one of my YouTube videos that I link it for you guys, just because it's easier that way. It's not that hard, it just takes a couple extra steps. So I'm gonna go finish linking some things in my previous video. If you haven't seen the Coachella vlog, go watch it. Coachella was absolutely amazing and I already miss it. It is bed washing day, which means we're doing laundry, letting it go while I'm at school. So first we're gonna wash the big old comforter. There's a missing sock. Did not know that was there. Another missing sock. Favorite detergent for whenever I'm washing any of my bedding stuff or things that I want to smell good. This Tyler Glamorous Diva Wash. It is so, so good. I just finished doing my makeup for the day and I have this Brandy Melville cream sweater that I'm so excited to wear to class. My comforter is now laying out to dry and I'm gonna throw my sheets in the washer now. And then let's head out. You can't be on the bed. Come on, get off. Oh, I just sent my friend Amanda the link from our Coachella trip together because I made a video and she just said, OMG, stop it. I just finished it. That was actually the cutest thing ever. I trimmed his face the other day and I don't think it turned out horrible, but it's a little crooked. I wanted to be able to see his eyes and so I think I'm able to see him now.
From this point on.
So the whole second portion you need to, so the variable.
Oh, beautiful.
So it comes from. I think it's, is that your?
I was refused talking to you.
I'm finally home. Matcha and I went on this fabulous walk outside and the workers are gone. I think they've made a little bit of progress. I don't know if y'all can see, but all of the handrails are off. They put a little lining down. I am just learning to embrace chaotic mess in my house right now, and it's gonna be temporary. Hopefully by the end of this week, everything is fixed, but we're gonna make some dinner tonight. My friend McKenna is coming over in 10 minutes, and this is what is on the menu tonight. She's gluten-free, so we have this brand of pasta from Ancient Harvest. It's just the regular spaghetti, and then we have some Trader Joe's chicken meatballs. These are also gluten-free. For sauce today, we are using this organic marinara from Kirkland. I also have some fresh salad from the farmer's market that I need to use up. So maybe we'll do like a little Caesar salad on the side. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but earlier whenever I got that bao bun with the tofu katsu, oh my gosh, it was So delicious. Any bao bun in general just tastes so good. I don't know what they put in the bread, but I could eat like 5 of them. Let's get cooking. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, I have a story time for y'all. So I got a big screw in my tire when I came back from Coachella. I was driving to my godparents' house to pick up Matcha where he was staying. When I got there, they noticed that my tire was completely flat. So we pumped it up temporarily, and it was already so late in the day that I just decided that I was gonna go to Discount Tire the next morning. They told me that I had a big ol' screw, and when they went to fix it, I had like an hour and a half to kill. So I walked around and found this place called The Chow. And it's by the movie theater that I always go to, Regal Edwards. And basically it was like this public market eatery, and I stumbled in there and they had different little vendors, and I found this vendor called The Fit Donut. They have vegan and gluten-free options, but they also have like regular. And basically these are healthy, macro-friendly desserts. I have been obsessed with them. This blueberry one, I don't know if you can see, there's a little drizzle of icing on top. This came in a pack of 3, and I already had 2, and then I already had 3 of the chocolate chip cookies, but they're so good, and you can't even tell that they are 1, healthy, but 2, in these, especially for these ones, gluten-free and vegan. And I'm really excited because, like I said, my friend is gluten-free, so I'm gonna have her try them tonight, and I want to see what she thinks of them.
This is insane.
Okay, what do we think?
It's so good.
Out of 10.
Like 12.
Those are 2 pieces of rice. You had part of this setup for the last inch, and then you're
All right, McKenna and I just went over some videos. Shout out Joanne Wood. We have an accounting exam in 2 days. And usually for our other accounting exams, we've been able to attend the study session hosted by this guy who like really helps us. Saving Grace. He's helped everybody pass this class, let's be real. He's not gonna do that because he actually has things to study for. So we don't have a study session tomorrow, which is why we're being studious right now and going over the videos and writing formulas. But pray for us. This video is gonna go up after, so I'll let you know how I do, but just
Pray that we don't have to take the next test.
yeah, these cookies are so good.
Oh my God.
I tried this new drink out today called Bubbler. They sent over 3 flavors, and I had the triple berry breeze. Would highly suggest if you want something like this. Okay. Trash has been taken out for the night, and McKenna just left. To end the night, some water boiling on the stove right now. I'm gonna make some peppermint tea from Trader Joe's. They have the best peppermint tea. I like it because it's non-caffeinated. It just sets the mood for the night, helps me fall asleep also. Waiting for that to boil. I got so much homework done, and I convinced my friend McKenna to take a Pilates class with me. So she scheduled one for next week. We're gonna do it together. And then we're also gonna go to the farmer's market on Saturday. So love spending time with her. She is a joy. How cute is this little oven mitt from Urban Outfitters? My mom and dad got it for me for Christmas. It's the most perfect thing I've ever seen. Tonight's choice of mug is this one from Maine.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication to all of the parts.